بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे. Dear students, क्या आपने मैथ्स की वीडियोस देखी और आपने अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया तो उसको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें. आओ बच्चों अपनी क्लास शुरू करते हैं. दिस इज़ योर मैथ्स क्लास. यस. Now we will read numbers poem. 1, 2, how are you? 3, 4, wash the floor. 5, 6, touch your lips. 7, 8, open the gate. 9, 10, tiger in the den. Dear students, today our topic is number 3. 3. Which number is this? Yes, 3. Dear student, today you will learn about 3. Dear students, this is 3. Yes, this is 3. 3 mean 3 things. 3 mean 3 things. 3 चीज़ों की तादाद को हम 3 कहते हैं. 3. Yes, I will repeat. This is 3. Students, which number is this? Yes, 3. 3. Oh, look at here, students. What are these? Yes, these are lemon. These are lemon. Okay, can you count this? How many are these? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good. These are 3 lemons. These are 3 lemons. Look at here, students. Which number is this? Yes, 3. This is 3 and these are 3 lemons. This is 3 and these are 3 lemons. Okay, student, count with me again. 1, 2, 3. How many lemons are there? Yes, these are 3 lemons. These are 3 lemons. Look at here, students. What are these? Yes, these are stars. These are stars. Can you count? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, tell me again. How many are these? These are 3 stars. These are 3 stars. Look at here, students. Which number is this? This is 3. And how many are these? Tell me. Yes. Can you count this? How many are these? 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good. This is 3 and these are 3 stars and these are 3 stars. बच्चों, अभी हम कौन से नंबर के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? 3. Very good. अभी हम 3 के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. 3 हम 3 चीज़ों की तादाद को 3 कहते हैं. अब देखिए यहाँ पे 3 स्टार्स है. 1, 2, 3. यस, यहाँ पे हमारे साथ कितने स्टार्स हैं? 3. 3 and 3 stars. Okay, student, look at here. What are these? You know? What are these? Yes, very good. These are caps. Okay, and you know how many are these? Can you count? Yes, very good. Tell me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good. These are 3 caps. These are 3 caps. I will repeat. 1, 2, 3. 3 caps. How many are these? 3 caps. Yes, this is 3 and these are 3 caps. This is 3 and these are 3 caps. Okay, tell me again, which number is this? 3. And how many are these? बच्चों ये कितनी कैप्स हैं बताएं बताएं वेरी गुड 1 2 3 बिल्कुल ठीक ये 3 कैप्स हैं Students, look at here. What are these? Oh, yes. These are balls. These are balls. Okay. Can you count? Yes. Tell me. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 balls. How many balls are there? Yes, there is 3 balls. There is 3 balls. Yes. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 balls. Okay, student, look at here. What are these? Yes, very good. These are cups. How many cups are there? Can you count? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, these are 3 cups. These are 3 cups. Students, look at here. This is 3. Yes, which number is this? 3. And these are 3 cups. This is 3 and these are 3 cups. मोहतरम वालिदैन आप अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठकर मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से 3 की पहचान करवा सकते हैं अपने बच्चों को टाइम दें उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी प्यारे बच्चों अपना होमवर्क करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर करें अल्लाह हाफिज़
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما